Ever copied a formula in Excel and ended up with completely wrong results? Don't worry, it's not your fault, it's your cell reference. Today, I'll show you how to use absolute references to keep formulas accurate, especially when copying or dragging cells. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with a practical example. Imagine you're managing a sales team, and you want to calculate each employee's bonus based on a fixed bonus rate in cell C2. To calculate John's bonus in D2, we multiply his sales in B2 by the bonus rate in C2. So, to write the formula, start with an equal sign. Then click on cell B2. Type an asterisk for multiplication, and click on cell C2. It should look like this. Press Enter, and we get the correct bonus for John. But now watch this. Let's drag the formula down for the rest of the team. The bonus rate disappeared. What happened? Excel automatically changed C2 to C3, C4, and so on, which are empty. We need to lock cell C2, so Excel always uses it, no matter where the formula goes. That's where absolute referencing comes in. Let's fix it together. Click on cell D2, where our formula is. In the formula bar, click on C2. Now press the F4 key on your keyboard. If you're on a laptop, press Function key plus F4. What does this mean? $ before C locks the column. $ before 2 locks the row. Together means, always use this exact cell, column C and row 2. Now press Enter, and drag it down to the rest of the rows. Boom! Now your bonus calculations are accurate across the board. We can also lock just the row or just the column, and that's called mixed referencing. Let's break it down with two examples. This locks row 2, but column C can change. So if you copy this formula down, it still uses row 2 for the bonus rate, perfect if you're working down rows. And this locks the column C, but lets the row change. Great for copying formulas across columns, while staying fixed on column C. Here's what to remember. Use relative references when you want formulas to adjust automatically. Use absolute references to lock a cell completely. And use mixed references to lock just one part. Mastering this makes your formulas smarter and your spreadsheets much more reliable. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Got a question or Excel problem? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to help. Thanks for watching.